Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making garlic noodles. You will need 8 ounces of angel hair pasta, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 scallion, 5 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Add your water and salt to a pot, then bring to a boil. Now add the pasta and allow it to cook for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, remove it from the heat, then rinse with cold water and set it aside until later. In a frying pan, melt your butter. Add your garlic and the white portion of your scallion and saute for 2 minutes. Now add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper, then mix until well combined. Add your noodles to the pan, then coat with your sauce. Add your Parmesan cheese, the green portion of your scallion, and mix until well combined. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.